Introducing the all-new 2023 Honda Pilot SUV, designed, developed, and built exclusively in America. This exceptional vehicle has achieved the prestigious 2023 Top Safety Pick Plus rating from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. The Pilot's outstanding safety rating is the result of its top performance in the IIHS crash avoidance and mitigation evaluations, including vehicle-to-pedestrian avoidance and headlight performance, both in daytime and nighttime conditions. A key factor contributing to this accolade is the Honda Sensing Suite of safety and driver-assistive technologies, which come standard on all 2023 Pilot models. Honda Sensing includes advanced features like the collision mitigation braking system with pedestrian detection, forward collision warning, road departure mitigation with lane departure warning, lane keeping assist system, and adaptive cruise control. Honda Sensing is available on over 6 million Honda vehicles on U.S. roads today, embodying Honda's commitment to safety for everyone, a vision for a collision-free society. Every Honda vehicle, including the 2023 Pilot, benefits from Honda's advanced Compatibility Engineering body structure, designed to protect occupants in various frontal collisions. For the 2023 Pilot, Honda engineers have further improved the ACE structure, enhancing crash compatibility with smaller vehicles and increasing occupant protection in oblique frontal collisions. The new Pilot also features an award-winning front passenger airbag with a 3-chamber design, offering exceptional protection during angled frontal impacts, reducing the risk of serious injuries. From its design at the Honda Design Studio in California to development by Honda engineers at Honda's North American Automotive Development Center in Ohio, and exclusive production by skilled associates at the Alabama Auto Plant, every aspect of the 2023 Pilot is a testament to Honda's commitment to safety and quality. In addition to IIHS testing, the 2023 Pilot has also received a 5-star overall vehicle score in the NHTSA's 2023 model year NCAP testing, further affirming its top-notch safety performance. Honda's dedication to safety extends across its entire lineup. With a combined 7 Honda models earning 2023 TSP ratings or better, it's clear that safety is a top priority for Honda. Experience the award-winning safety and performance of the 2023 Honda Pilot SUV. Visit your local Honda dealer or learn more by visiting the link in the description.